Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Toyota Land Cruiser. This 4-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Toyota is a great value with less than 34,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 13 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, universal remote, DVD player, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.